Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. If you're interested in going on a journey with me as I achieve healthier hair, skin, and overall wellness, consider hitting that subscribe button and then hitting that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video, and we'll be on the way to a long, healthy lifestyle journey. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I braid up my hair for my wigs, okay? So I just want to go ahead and start off by saying this is a safe space, okay? For all of my little black girls or older black girls like myself that don't know how to cornrow, I'm with you, okay? And so I just wanted to preference that because everybody don't have the corn rolling skills, okay? So I am going to show two different ways of how to keep your hair protected when it is under wigs, okay? Instead of cornrows, for the people that can't cornrow. I hope that makes sense. Okay, all right. So I just got out the shower, I just washed my hair, and I just deep conditioned and everything, and I will link that video up here because that is like my full wash day after a protective style. I received a lot of shedding because I had my little cornrows in for like 2 months or so. It was a while, maybe like a month and a half, but it was a while. So today I'm going to be doing my hair as well, but I'm going to be doing it in an alternative way other than cornrows, and my hair still will be flat for my wigs. Okay, my hair feels so good. It's good to have her back out just to put her away. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, of course, is moisturize this section and get it ready to be in the braid, okay? So because I'm high porosity, I have my spray bottle to wet it up again. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Melanin Hair Care leave-in conditioner along with the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Cream. I'm going to use this for just like some added moisture and hold, and like a sealant more so, and then use this as my leave-in conditioner to go ahead and get the moisture put into my hair. And I don't know exactly how long I'm going to be keeping this style in, but you do want to make sure that you're using moisturizing products because you're not going to be dealing with your hair as frequently. So you want to make sure that you're going to use products that are going to keep the moisture locked into your hair for a long period of time. Okay. So I already have the leave-in conditioner all over my hair, and then I'm just going to apply some of the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Cream so that way I am sealing in some of this moisture. Okay, now that this section is all moisturized, what I'm going to do is turn around and show you guys what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start up here at the top and grab some hair. And I'm going to start off with a braid. And I am going attempt to cornrow this section down. Again, like I said, this is a safe space and I am not the best cornrower, okay? Actually, I'm not that great. So don't be judging me. And this is low-key not a tutorial because I don't know how to explain it. So if you can watch it and learn, cool. But if not, I'm sorry. So you start off with 3 and you go ahead and do a slight braid. And then you start working your way down. And adding hair. And you kind of grab hair as you go. One of the key tips that I think really helps with corn rolling is making sure you actually pull the hair out each time, okay? So like you grab some hair, you pull it all the way out. That way it's free. Grab some hair, you pull this all the way out. That way it's free. This is free. You know what I'm saying? Finger under. Make sure this is free. And then you just braid it down. And that's going to be a nice flat braid. It don't got to be the prettiest because I'm sure it is not. But that's going to be a nice flat braid for you to put your wig cap on and your wig is going to lay flat, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize this last section before I show you the second alternative method, okay? Okay, so I have this part of my hair moisturized as good as it's going to get, okay? But no, okay, so the main objective, remember, is to keep the, side note, can we get into this hair though? Okay, I was just looking at it and I was like, dang girl, low key, make me want to keep my hair out, but I'm not doing that. Anyway, so the main point of doing all of this is to get your hair as flat as possible, right? That's the whole reason why this is so amazing, because it's to my scalp and it is super, super flat, right? Okay, so this next way, I'm not even gonna take credit for it. I got this from Finally Amber. She's a low porosity YouTuber. I forgot the reason why she said she stopped doing cornrows or whatever, but I couldn't cornrow at the time, so I needed an alternative. So this is what she did, and I have done it a time or two, and I've noticed that it's worked for me as well. I got my dimming, and you just want to make sure that this is as flat as possible. Flat, right? And so I'm going to do mine slightly to the back, like behind my ear, so that way it'll rest better. And then I am just going to do a braid. But the main thing is you're going to make sure that it is super tight so it can stay flat. That is the whole goal, is to make sure that it stays flat. Okay, and then when I am done, it is going to sit nice and flat, and if it doesn't, I can just pull that on down and it'll sit flat. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys what my hair looks like and how good and how flat it is when it's time for me to put on a wig. I'll be back. All right, guys, so I am all done with my hair. Don't judge me, please. I know I look like A$AP Rocky in the front. You want me to bust around for you? It's like, nah, I'm not a rapper. But I did want to show you guys how flat that this would look with the wig cap on, okay? Okay, y'all, I haven't refreshed this wig in a minute, so please don't come for me, okay? And your girl is good to go. It's nothing shown here. There's no real bulkiness here. If anything, I feel like it gives me volume. So I'm happy. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you guys 2 different ways on how you can make sure that your hair is super flat when you are doing a wig protective styles and you don't know how to cornrow. However, I would recommend though, if you are going to do it, that you probably want to do the cornrow in the front and then the plait in the back, or you can do 4 cornrows, 4 plaits, whatever you want to do. I was just showing 2 different ways on how you can get a flat base for when you need to do your wigs. So that is all that I have for this video, you guys. What other ways do you guys do your hair when you're about to go into a wig protective style to make sure that your hair is flat and laid, okay? Because everybody can't cornrow, okay? And if ain't nobody gonna teach me, then I gotta figure out other ways to make sure that I am able to accomplish what I'm trying to accomplish, right? Okay, guys, so that's all that I have for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.